guys, so what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you already know from the title that today I'm gonna apply the AMLA powder on my hair for the very first time, and I'm gonna apply the AMLA powder with egg and with coconut oil, and actually I'm going to prepare a hair mask. And I have heard that AMLA powder can make your hair really bouncier and thicker. So let's see what is going to happen. I'm really excited to do that. But first of all, let me prepare the hair mask first. Okay, so for the AMLA powder, I have this one. This is the Indus Valley Bio-Organic AMLA powder. By the way, this is not a sponsored video at all. I have bought this product from Amazon with my own money. And I have this 2 eggs, murgi ka anda, and this is the first crop 100% pure coconut oil. You can use any pure coconut oil as per your choice. So yeah, let's prepare the mask first. Hey you guys, so I am back after washing my hair, and you can clearly see that my hair is more bouncy and more silky now. It feels so smooth and it feels so soft now. मैंने lighting वगैरह या फिर कैमरा की भी कोई भी कुछ भी change नहीं की है. Lighting is same, camera is same, but you can clearly see the result. And if you are interested to try out this DIY hair mask, then you can do that. I will give the link in the description box below जो Indus Valley का products की जो link है वो, and Indus Valley की product Flipkart and Amazon में available है. You can try them out. So yeah, that's it. And I'm so happy after using this hair mask. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot, and if really that, then please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon to get notified while I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is its_me_Jayeeta. So yeah, I will be back with my new video and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you and bye-bye.